Merry Christmas, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you the wall art that I've made for my apartment. I love creating wall art because it's unique for me and my space. It's usually less expensive than going out and buying a piece. And I want something that's just truly unique and I'm proud of because I did it. Enjoy! That is all the wall art that I have in my apartment that I DIY'd. I like making items that are unique to me. It keeps my mind active. It keeps me busy. And it keeps me creating and coming up with more and more things to create. I've got some beautiful items coming up for next year that I'm creating. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, and you love DIYs, you might want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. I'm hoping that everybody is having a wonderful, blessed holiday so far and staying safe. Please like and comment on this video to let me know what other type of videos you all would like to see me do. And remember, do not let anyone steal your joy or your peace. Be blessed, guys. Merry Christmas.